How was the last weekend for you? What will you do next week? These are questions we have almost every day asked by people around us, and we don't exactly know how to answer them in Bulgarian. But where is the problem? Stay with us in this video and we'll see it piece by piece. The bigger problem, in my experience with our students in our educational center, almost 90% of students actually they feel a bit like this and not know how to say or how to answer this question when they need to use the word last or past weekend, the last day, the last month. Okay? Do you know how to say it? Do you know how to say it with an article? It's not an easy task, but let's see it piece by piece. The word last, the one that passed already, is me now. Okay? Minal. Minal then. Past day. And, of course, it changes by gender in Bulgarian. So we have the masculine form, Minal. Minala with A in the end, Minawo with O in the end, and in plural, Minali. Okay? How is it with article? Because actually most of the time you need to use it with article, and this is when the second problem appears normally for our students. When you want to say the last weekend, the past weekend, okay? We say Minalия weekend or Minalия den. Why it's like this? Because, I remind you, for adjectives in Bulgarian, the article it is iya or iyat if it is subject of the sentence. I will not spend too much time now on this, but pay attention. In Bulgarian language with the articles, you should know there is a difference. If a masculine noun is subject or object in the sentence, if it is the most important thing in the sentence, or if it is in addition, object in the sentence. We have other videos on these topics. You can see it in our channel. But let's go back now on the adjectives. So if we want to say какво прави, what you did, миналия weekend, ия, I remind you, it's an article for masculine adjectives. Какво прави, миналия weekend. Okay? For feminine, it is миналата. Very useful also when we want to ask for past activities, because the word week, sedmica, in Bulgarian it is feminine. So we say миналата седмица. Какво прави, what you did, миналата седмица. Here is it already question that you can use with your friends and ask them, какво прави миналата седмица? Now you already can say it in a good way. Миналото, it's for neutral. To ending, the article for neutral. And миналите, dni, the past days. Миналите, te ending for plural. Okay? I hope now you can ask a question for the past. Let's go to the future. If we want to ask, what are you planning to do next weekend or next week or next month? Okay? We can say the word Sledvasht, the following, the next one, okay, in this context. Какво ще правиш, already a question in the future. Какво ще правиш следващия weekend? Again, iya, the same logic that I just explained for Minal, Minalия. We have the word Sledvasht for masculine. Weekend, masculine, so you put a masculine article, iya, so Sledvashtia, weekend, okay? If you want to do it, what will you do next week? Week, again, feminine, Sledvashtata, sedmica, ta ending for feminine, Sledvashtoto for neutral, and Sledvashtite dni, the following, the next days in plural. Следващите, we say. Okay? So, now you know the word Minal and the word Следващ. And I know it can be challenging, but try to use it in different contexts. Most of the time, as I said, with articles, we've explained you the articles, try to combine it with the proper noun to make a sentence. And remember, when you put an article to the adjective, to the first word, you don't put an article to the noun. So for example, you don't say Sledvashta sedmica ta, 2 times ta ta ta. No, only Sledvashta sedmica. Why I tell you this? Because as we like to tell our students, we're here to guide you. So it means we're here to tell you where there are stones underwater. You don't know there are stones, you don't know where you can step and where you can sleep, but we know because we've seen it and we've heard already a lot of foreigners saying one and the same mistake. So before you learn it in a little bit incorrect way, I'm warning you where there is a stone underwater, not to step there, but to step on a place that is secure for you. So if you put an article to the adjective, don't put it to the noun. Some of our students, just because they're very certain and very happy they already know the articles for nouns, they want to show us this and they put it just like this to show they know it in the adjective, in the noun. In class, in a safe environment, it's okay, it's cute, but in real life we need only one article. So it can be a good reminder for you, okay, article, where should I put it? To the first word. So, следващата седмица, следващите дни. А вие какво ще правите следващия месец? What will you do next month? Probably you will work a little bit more on your Bulgarian. If so, don't hesitate to send us a message. Check our website or our social media. We have a lot of other free learning videos. And if you're looking for classes, group or individual, send us a message and we will see which option can suit you better. We have a team of teachers and we will try to find the best way for you, for your time schedule, and to progress with Bulgarian, probably, I don't know, in an intensive way or with small steps. As we like to say, every progress counts, even if it is small steps every day. Thank you for watching.